I didn't have any corn
You
puffs.
didn't have no corn
I had
puffs?
the Crystal Chicks.
Oh yeah, you did have them. What was up with the corn puppies? Was that the last car? Because we got a
That's all right.
Or maybe there's just corn dogs on this. There's some 4-year-old toddler laying in bed right now. Corn dogs.
Hey,
Oh, that's 11. You're our last customer tonight, so
uh, I'm just glad. I'm like, at least it's not on Blanding where somebody took out like all the power and all the restaurants are shut down. Yeah, like, yeah. And I'm just trying to find something to eat because,
yeah, because I mean we're so out of product and shit. We have to close at 12.
yeah.
But I mean, we've already got the grills down and clean and stuff, so we might as well just end it. What's the fucking point anymore?
Oh, I totally agree.
20 minutes ahead of time, yeah, I think.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame you. I mean, I'm just trying to find something
Yeah, you got it.
to eat.
And you just don't like order here and all that. Like just about what I need to do a shift change. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I'll put some straw in here and some that. That's my killer job done for the night.
Good deal. Thank you. Yeah.